gonna make a video about Google Analytics and how you can use it to track visitors coming to your website. And so the data that you will be able to access is pretty much uh, when people are going to your website, who is going to your website, what they're doing when they get to your website. So it's pretty neat stuff. Uh, I'm gonna show you how to set that up right now. And in another video, I'll show you how to analyze the data. So first things first is go to analytics.google.com and make sure you are signed in as the account that you want to enable the analytics on. So you're going to be signed into a certain email. Make sure that that email relates to your website. So go ahead and click setup for free. And then after that, go ahead and type in your account name. Usually this could be your basically your website name. Doesn't necessarily matter. So this is just an example. So I'm going to type in website sample. All of these account data sharings are totally optional. Google recommends it, so go ahead and leave them there. And then go ahead and click next. And after that, once it loads, it's going to ask you what you want to measure. And yes, you'll be measuring your website. Click next. And lastly, go ahead. This is just another property detail. So just type in your website name. And then now right here, you want to type in the URL of your website. So make sure you type that in correctly. And they don't want you to type in the what comes before the website name. They already have that here, so just leave that as is. Select the industry. This is just for their own pretty much measurement of statistics. And after that, you would hit create. And then, so since this is an example, I'm not gonna hit create. But what happens after is you get sent to this page. So it looks a little bit complicated, but all that needs to happen is that there's this piece of code here. And what we're going to do is we're going to copy that. So go ahead and right click and hit copy. And after that, that's going to get inputted into your WordPress dashboard. So I'm going to bring over a WordPress dashboard that I have here for an example. And so the first thing you want to do is on the left side, go to plugins and hit add new. So what we're going to do here is we're going to install a plugin that allows us to easily integrate this code into our website. So on the right side, under search plugins, go ahead and type in install header. And it'll be the first one here, insert headers and footers plugin. As it reads, this plugin allows you to add extra scripts to the header and footer of your blog and basically website. So go ahead and hit install if it doesn't say activate. And then after you hit install, it should say activate. After that, it is installed, and now we're going to go ahead and input the code. So on the left side, go ahead and scroll down to settings and then down to insert headers and footers. And once that gets loaded, you'll notice you have two boxes and a save button. So now, since we already copied the code from the Google Analytics page, go ahead and right click and click paste. And now that code is inside of this block, meaning it's inside of your website. Now click save. And that's it. Settings saved, you're done. So if you go back to your other page, on the top you'll see it says status, no data received in the past 48 hours. Go ahead and click send test traffic. And that's going to test your website. All right. So then give it a couple of seconds, and there it is. I'm going to click back to this page. Notice it says 1 active users right now, including 1 from test traffic. So that means that we have successfully installed Google Analytics on our website. And in the next video, I'll be showing how you can navigate the data and what's important when you're navigating through all of these uh, data points. So stay tuned.